Good morning. Today we'll read our first story called Pete the Cat. Pete's Big Lunch. That is a big lunch. Goodness. There's our title page. There's Pete the Cat. He's a famous character. Here comes Pete. It's lunchtime. Pete is ready to eat. What should Pete eat? A sandwich would be nice. Yes, Pete wants a sandwich. So Pete opens the fridge. He takes out a loaf of bread. He finds a yummy fish. He adds tomato and mayo. Pete looks at his sandwich. It's too small. Something is missing. Pete knows what it needs. His sandwich needs an apple. Pete loves apples. Guys, does this look like a sandwich to you? He's forgetting some important steps. His sandwich needs crackers. Crackers are crunchy. Pete loves crunchy crackers. Pete looks at his sandwich again, but it's still too small. It's pretty big to me. I don't know. Pete is very hungry. So Pete adds a pickle. Pete adds cheese. Pete adds an egg, 2 hot dogs, a banana, and a can of beans. Oh, mama. But something is still missing. Pete adds ice cream. He takes 3 huge scoops. Whoa. Pete's sandwich is too big to eat. Pete wonders what to do. He thinks and thinks. I've got it, Pete says. Pete calls all his friends. He asks them to come over. All right. Let's see what his idea is. Everyone goes to Pete's house. They are all very hungry. Okay. Do you see his sandwich in the window? Looks like a tree. Pete shows them his big lunch. Are you hungry? Asks Pete. Pete's sandwich is big enough for everyone. Dig in, says Pete. Pete's sandwich is good. Pete's sandwich is very good. Look at all the different foods. Pete's sandwich is all gone, and Pete's friends are full. They liked Pete's big lunch. Thanks for lunch, Pete's friends say. Thanks for sharing. I bet you can have lots of friends if you're good at sharing. You're welcome, says Pete. Sharing is cool.